Welcome to Let Me Fix This. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to make a donut keychain with clay. First, gather your essential materials. You will need about 1 ounce of polymer clay in a light brown or tan for the donut base, plus small amounts of white and other bright colors for frosting and sprinkles. Also, have a small rolling pin, a circular cutter about 1.5 inches in diameter, and a toothpick ready. Don't forget your keychain hardware, including an eye pin and a strong glaze or adhesive for the final touches. Now let's shape the donut base. Take your light brown or tan polymer clay and condition it thoroughly by kneading it for a few minutes until it's soft and easy to work with. Roll the conditioned clay out evenly to a thickness of approximately 1/4 inch. Use your 1.5 inch circular cutter to cut out a perfect donut shape. Then, use a toothpick or a smaller cutter, about 1/4 inch in diameter, to create the signature hole in the center. Next, it's time for the fun part, decorating. Roll out a small amount of white or brightly colored clay very thinly, about 1/16 of an inch for your frosting. Cut a circle of frosting slightly smaller than your donut base and carefully place it on top. Use a craft knife or a toothpick to create a wavy, melted edge for a more realistic frosting effect. Finally, roll tiny, thin strands of different colored clay and cut them into small pieces to create adorable sprinkles, placing them gently onto the frosting. Our donut is almost ready. Carefully place your decorated clay donut on a baking sheet. Bake it in a preheated oven following your polymer clay's specific instructions, usually around 275 degrees Fahrenheit for about 15 to 20 minutes. Once baked, let it cool completely. Apply a clear, protective glaze to give it a beautiful, glossy finish and enhance its durability. Finally, gently twist an eye pin into the top of the donut and attach your keychain ring. Now you have a delightful, handmade donut keychain.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.